Alright, this is Joe as Team SAS doing a review on the Remington 700 Police Sniper Rifle. It's bolt action, as you can tell. The bolt can come out by the bolt release, which is underneath, like above the trigger here, and that can give you access to the inner barrel for cleaning and stuff. Also, one important thing was that the scope did not come with the gun. It came with iron sights, and I bought the scope as an NC Star scope, and it had like a bar on the bottom. You have to take that off the scope, and also 1-inch Weaver rail scope holdings, because they always try to sell you like a 30 millimeter, which is 30 millimeters, what it is, and it holds the scope for you. Also, the gun is green gas. It came with a speed loader. It also came with a nozzle for your green gas, in case it doesn't come with a nozzle. Some do, some don't. An adjustable hop-up tool, some extra O-rings for replacements, an Allen wrench for the insides of to take it apart. This is not the takedown version. You can get a takedown version that'll come apart, and you can access about from here on down of the inner barrel. You can use either 0.43 gram sniper BBs. You can use these, or you can use the 0.2 gram light BBs. Those are if you want more distance, and the heavier ones are for more accuracy. But if you use these, you'll probably need to adjust your hop-up back so it keeps the BBs airborne. Again, I use green gas. Also, it comes with this, or it doesn't come with this, but on the web it does. It gives you the accuracy. It's a very accurate gun. About 530 FPS out of the box, and again, you can adjust the hop up to go over like about 600 is, I think, it's about a max you can get out of it.